Hi, my name is Clarence Rodriguez from Beckton Dickinson, and I'm a business development manager. I expected just a turnover ceremony or just a program, but the actual activity was different. We were like trekking for 1.5 to 2 hours, and then being part of building the tower is really a great experience for me. It's a realization that you are part of the project. This experience means a lot to me, knowing that this community is close to my heart. I also came from Samar, so helping these communities means a lot to me, like it's giving back to the community. So I would like to thank Planet Water Foundation and Beckton Dickinson for sending us here and being part of this project. Thank you very much.
The impact that I've made today is, I think it's life-changing among these children, giving them clean water to drink. And it will really make a difference in their lives as they go on with their lives.
So when I see children, actually I feel responsible because of what we have experienced here compared to what we are having in the city, like sa Manila or sa Cebu. I feel like I'm responsible and challenged to make a difference that as compared to what we do daily, which is very minimal to what is happening here, I feel responsible that we must do something to improve the lives of our common Filipino people. So I'm also giving the challenge to everyone to go out, volunteer, and do something that makes a difference in everyone's lives. Thank you.